your environmental studies textbook. Today we are going to start our new lesson, animal shelter. Okay, we have the shelters. No children, we live in the two-story buildings and houses and normal houses. So many will live in the villages, in the huts and all. In the same way, even the animals also will have the shelter in different ways. Let us come to know how they are. Everyone open page number 58 in your textbooks. Page number 58. So animal shelter. This is the lesson, animal shelter. A plant or animal adapts itself to its surroundings and a particular way of life. This process is called adaptation. See, each region will have the different way of living, the children, different food habits, different clothing and different way of buildings and all. In the same way, animals also. So, according to that environment, they'll change their food habits and they'll build their nests. Okay. So, that is what called as a adaptation. The natural environment of a living thing is called its habitat. What is that? What is a habitat means, children? The natural environment of a living thing. So whatever environment is there, it will be a very natural one. According to that, they will adjust. They will adjust themselves and they'll have the food habits and the shelters. Okay. All life on earth is interconnected. So everything is interconnected. Everything is interconnected. Why? Because according to the climatic condition, the food habits will be there. According to the food habits, the health of a particular person will be there. According to the weather, the dressing sense will be there. So everything is interlocked over there. Okay. Animal need shelter to bring up their young ones and provide protection from the weather and predators. Yes, animals. They need shelter, no children. Otherwise, the eggs will not hatch properly. Otherwise, some other enemy will attack it and it will eat that one. So, how they can save their child ones and egg ones? With the shelter only. They build their homes from materials found in their environment. So, they'll build their environment. From the environment, they'll collect the materials and they will build their nests according to their convenience and according to their climate over there. Okay. Here, while building their homes, they choose a place close to their food sources. They are very intelligent ones. Why? Because they will build the nests or whatever it is. They'll see first of all food source is there in and around or not. They won't go far for the food. Near to it only they will build the nests on the trees. Okay. Animals live in different kinds of homes, from holes in the grounds to caves to nests and trees. So they live in different types of homes. Holes to caves and small holes niche big caves and nests and trees. So they'll prepare some nests, no children, they'll build some nests on the trees, no, on that and otherwise on the trees. Okay. So nest of a birds, how it will be, let us see. Birds build their nests. They carefully choose a place to build their nests because they are very intelligent ones. First of all, they will look after the peaceful place and the careful and see. They'll check whether all the human beings are there or what. If they harm anything to their kids or to their young ones, first they'll check, they'll confirm it and they'll build the nest over there. Okay, it has to be safe to hatch eggs. Yes, first of all they'll put the eggs, no children, directly they won't give birth to the younger ones. They'll put the eggs. So what they'll do in the nest, they will put the eggs, no. So they'll build the nest very carefully and strongly also. Okay. Most nests are bowl shaped and built on tree branches. See, like this only, so many of the nests will be prepared by the birds like this only, no. They'll be with the grass or the weeds and all. Okay. Here, they are made of straw, hair, waste thread, feathers, twigs, leaves and grass held together with mud or saliva. So what are the materials they use here? Once again, they will use the straws and the hair, waste threads. అంటే గడ్డి ఉంటుంది కదా నాన్న, గడ్డి లాంటిది లేకపోతే ఒక జుట్టు లాంటిదో లేకపోతే దారాలు లాంటివి వేస్ట్ థ్రెడ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా అవి, ఫెదర్స్, ట్విగ్స్, పుల్లలు, ఆకులు, ఈకలు ఉంటాయి కదా అవి అండ్ గ్రాస్ హెల్ప్ టుగెదర్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా కలిపేసి దే విల్ బిల్డ్ ద నెస్ట్. ఓకే. హియర్ although building the nest is not an easy task, the birds leave it and never return to it if they find that someone has touched it. See how they are. Okay, if they have any doubt or if they see with their eyes that if any other bird or if human beings, if we touch the nest, no, they won't touch the nest again. They won't sit in that nest again. They will move again. They will construct the newer nest instead of using the old one. Even though it is a tough task, no, if they come to know, if they have any doubt regarding that anybody has touched their nest, they won't touch that one and they won't live in that. Okay. Now that is why we should not touch the nests of that birds, children. Okay. Different species of birds build different types of nests in a variety of places from directly on the ground to high up in trees. So different birds will prepare in different manners. So let us come to know how they are. Sparrows, crows and pigeons build their nests on trees and around our houses. See, sparrows and crows will see, that one on the trees, or even in our, in our rooms also, if they have the ventilations, there also they will put some nests, okay, in that way. And here, vultures, eagles and kites build their nests high on tree tops. So these are the bigger ones, children, bigger birds. What they will do at the top of the tree, they will build the nest, okay. Here he has given the pictures. See in your page number 58, how the nests are. Sparrow's nest, pigeon's nest, crow's nest and eagle's nest. In that way they will prepare on the trees, okay. Now see the next page. A woodpecker makes its nest by drilling and pecking a hole in a tree trunk with its sharp beak. So woodpecker, first of all, it has a long beak and it will be very sharp. So what will do? It will bite like this, okay. It will dig the hole on a tree like that. So and here the hollow space is linked with chips of wood to make it cozy. So here the hollow space, it will do like this, okay, and it will be very cozy, means it will be very happy to it to sit and sleep in that, okay. A Tyler bird stitches leaves together with thread, wool or cotton. So Tyler bird, in the name itself it is given as Tyler bird, means what? It will chew its own nest. See, let us see how a Tyler bird stitches leaves together with thread, wool or cotton. It will use only these materials, children. The nest is lined with cotton, wool and dried grass to keep it warm. In the picture it is given nicely on a leaf. Here it is building Okay, so here the nest is linked with the cotton. In this way, it will put the cotton weeds and all, and dried grass to keep it warm. So it want to keep itself very warm. Okay, this make the nest cozy and warm. Cozy means what, children? It feels very happiness. Okay, while sleeping in that, it will feel very happiness and it will feel very warm there. As this bird sews its nest, it is called a Tyler bird. Sews and danantadi kutteskuntundi anamata chakkaga threads toni vaatito. That is why it is known as the Tyler bird. Okay. Next, the weaver bird acts like a weaver in making its nest. It makes its nest with fine stripes of palm and banana leaves, grass, etc. So this is a weaver bird. It weaves its అంటే అల్లేసుకుంటుంది అనమాట. దేనితోని స్ట్రిప్స్ ఆఫ్ పామ్ అంటే తాటి చెట్టు నుంచి వస్తాయి కదా ఈకలు లాంటివి, వాటితోని banana leaves and grass, అరటి చెట్లతోని ఆకులతోని గ్రాస్ తోని it will use all this material. At the lower end of the nest, there is an opening for the bird to go in and come in. A down, see in the picture it is given, here if this is one, it will prepare, okay. So down a hole will be there. From this it will get inside. It will move from this here, okay. Next one, the weaver bird's nest is very attractive and it is very, very attractive also. So today we'll stop here, children. Up to kingfishers, weaver's bird we have completed, and in the next class we will continue. First of all, read page number 58 and 59 from your textbook, and today's your homework task is page number 63, first question and second question. Why do animals need shelter and why do birds make nests? Everyone prepare these two question and answers properly. Write them in your homework book very neatly, children. Give finger gap between bird and a bird. Have a good day, children. Thank you.